Michelle from Noble Touch, and today we are going to try a ribbon wreath, and this is going to be a ladybug wreath. Now I made this ladybug out of a foam ball cut in half and painted. I have a video on that. I will post that link to that video underneath the description portion of this video. And then I went ahead and just secured a fuzzy stick in there with 2 floral pins like that. Then you're going to need a 12-inch wreath frame. I got this one. This is the flatter frame. I got this from Walmart. And then, of course, the ribbon. I'm using 2 rolls of 2.5-inch ribbon, and then 2 rolls of I think it's 1.5 inches, and this is, yeah, they're both 1.5 inches. 1.5 ribbon. You can use any type of ribbon. I did get this ribbon from the wreath shop last year. So, like I said, this is just something you can do with any type of ribbon you would like to throw together. I have this ladybug theme going, so I wanted to try something with that. So what you're going to do, and then you're going to need your zip ties. These are 8-inch zip ties. They're just going to be easier to work with than the smaller zip tie. So what you're going to do is lay out your ribbon. So I'm going to just lay out kind of how I want it to go. And Craig Bachman Imports has done, it was a while ago, he did a video on this, and he used 4 2.5-inch rolls of ribbon and made a beautiful wreath. So I'm going to try it with 2 2.5 and 2 1.5-inch to see what is going to come out like. So you just gather your ribbon like this. And then you're going to attach it to your second rung, or second from the outside rung. You just take a zip tie. And these are 10 yards each, these ribbons. Not 10 feet, but 10 yards. You zip tie that tight. And then what you're going to do is just pull, and you want about a hand's width, like that, so you can put your hand in to measure. And then gather and zip tie. Pushing it up as close as, to that bar as you go. Make sure it's zip tied tight. And we're going to do this around the whole wire frame. Okay, so this last one right here. Now I will link the video of Craig Bachman's tutorial because he's going to show you how to put a tail on it. I'm going to not have a tail of ribbon on mine, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut the excess off like that. Okay, now here's the fun part. So fairly easy. And now what you're going to do is you're going to pull your ribbon. And since I have the I want the 2.5 inch on both either sides, and then I will just do something like that. You just kind of pull and fluff, almost like you're fluffing a bow. And then this one here, I'll have the red go this way. Oh wait. That. And I'm going to just keep working my way around, fluffing out the ribbon here. I'm not going to do a bow. I'm going to measure out the 3 polka dots, and I'm going to go about 13 inches. And then, of course, I'm going to fishtail the ends. So you just fold it and then cut the closed to the open on an angle like that. Give it the little fish tails. And the same with this one. And now all I'm doing is I'm going to kind of just cross these like this, and then pinch like that. And where did I start this baby at? I'm just going to go ahead and put the bow or ribbon like this attached to the wreath. Should have been a little bit better prepared here. I'm just taking a pipe cleaner and twisting it a few times like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and just pull this through. Say pull through, but let's see. I'm just trying to get it on each side of the frame. Like that. And then I'm just taking my ladybug and positioning it right in the center of the bow. so. Like that. And I think she turned out pretty cute. So thank you so much for joining me. I will try to find as close as ribbon as I can and post it underneath the description portion of the tutorial. And make sure to please like and subscribe, and I have more wreaths coming. So thank you so much. You guys have a great day.